Ayo, what up YouTube? It is your boy, it is your nigga, way to Forex Coach, and we're back here again with another video. I want to just say shout out to the last video you made. This video was a banger, guys. You guys did the most. I asked for 100 likes and you guys just took it up there, man. So with this video again, let's just hit that like button to 100 likes, guys. Let's get this video to 100 likes. You know the vibes. Also, maybe 3 to 5k views, you know the vibes. Yeah, so. But then, guys, I have a lot to show you guys today. So the video is going to be entertainment and value packed at the same time. So without any further ado, let's get into it, man. So guys, I want to show you something, man. Hey, oh guys. So when I woke up today, man, and I'm waking up, I'm stressed. You know the vibes. I'm stressed and like I wanted to like pay for Tradingview, you know. I wanted to like pay for Tradingview, and then as I'm there, I'm like, yes, how much is this shit? Like it's like $50, bro. I'm like, okay, $50 for a monthly subscription, right? Like, okay, 50 is much, bro. That's like 1,000 rands. Like, okay, should I pay 1,000 rands? I'm checking the bank balance. I'm like, no, I'm not willing to invest 1,000 rands on a payment, right? And then okay, I continue with the day, and then check, guys, and then and then I find this offer, bro. Like the offer, bro. Like there was an offer, dog. Look, and then they say I can buy a subscription for like $1. The $50. Yeah, man, the $50 one for $1, and as you can see right there, this is a slip, man. Monthly what total amount? Yeah, I paid $1. It was like 19 bucks something, and then those are my details over there, man. I have to cancel that out when I'm editing. But then yeah, I got that, and then I made a withdrawal on FXPRO, man. As you know, guys, I'm using this broker, so this is the man I would draw today, right? Remember you that I'm using FXPRO, one of the best brokers around. So yeah, we've been using I've been withdrawing, and then as you can see, okay, I have to refresh here. As you can see, that was like pending withdrawal, and then let's do the refreshments, you know what I'm saying? My ninjas. As you can see, 21 cents left. The money was out. And where is the evidence? As you can see there, I've received 192, bruh. Okay, yeah. I withdraw some cash, bruh. Like, I withdraw some cash, as you can see. 200 and something. So, yeah, bruh. I withdraw my cash. Shout out to FXPRO. The link is going to be below, guys. This is one of the best brokers. This is not a scam broker, by the way. This broker has been around for years. It's like a legit, well-regulated international broker, not the one like good South Africa straight, like the ones of that guys who have green cars. You know, those people been promoting unregulated brokers. You know the vibes. This is the good broker. If you don't want mess in your work, you want tight spreads, you want massive leverage, just check FXPRO out. You know what I'm saying? So guys, yeah, I've successfully paid. Why did I want to pay for the shit? I wanted to pay because I wanted to test the 4-hour, guys. So I've been ghost trading 4-hour trades, right? As I explained on the previous video what ghost trading is. I was like, I'm checking positions, like, okay, it's okay if this is a position I take, how well will it go? And then majority of the trades I've been ghost trading, they are working very well. So with them working very well, I have to like apply this shit on my work, because Falcon is pretty much slow. If you know how Falcon trading is, man, like, yo, that thing is slow as fuck. Like, waiting for trades, yo, it takes some time, bro. Like, especially high quality positions, because in Falcon we do great trades. Like, there's high quality and low quality. But then if you are someone who takes both, you can have trades almost every week. But then if you're someone like me that only takes quality, sometimes bad, because I haven't been trading for the past 3 weeks. Yeah. But then there were 4-hour positions that I didn't take, just because I haven't yet applied the 4-hour correctly. Like I need to big test, but now because I've paid for the shit, I'm gonna big test, so now I'm good. And yeah, man, so what I want to do right now is I want to go outside, and I didn't have breakfast, so let me just show you how I'm gonna be having today. Hey, yo guys, I'm coming in with some good news, so please watch this. Okay guys, so you guys, you know that I do have a private Discord, right, with this one, and as you know, it is usually 500, you know. Yeah, but yeah, I've been thinking, man, that if you want to be here, I'm giving like a monthly promotion, you know the vibes. So I'm going to be accepting people to come and join us here for free. All you need to do is that you're just going to need to sign up with the broker that I use. The link is going to be below, right, and fund with the minimum of $50, right, going up. As you can see, as you know, we're using FXPRO, so the link is going to be below. Use that, find yourself $50, and I'm going to give you guys at least 2 months access. Okay, you're going to be having 2 months access in the Discord server with just you funding, because what you're going to do is that I'm going to be helping you guys grow those accounts and also give you guys trading experience with that, right? I'm going to be sharing setups with the team, with everyone, having the meetings just like everyone. Just that you just need to do that. So what are you investing in? You're just investing in yourself furthermore, because the money you're going to be funding is the money you're going to be using to make more profit and to gain more market experience and all of that. So actually it's just for free, because you're going to be trading your own money, your own funds are going to be managed by you. And this broker that I'm promoting is a broker that is well regulated, and it's been here for some time, and I know you guys do know FXPRO. But then if you have any further questions with the broker and how to sign up and all of that, just DM me on WhatsApp. My contact details are always on the description of the video, my WhatsApp number. It is best we just communicate on WhatsApp. If you have any difficulties or you want to be part of my WhatsApp viewers and all of that, want to talk to me, just WhatsApp me. The number is always there. Also my emails as well for business opportunities. You guys can also use that on the video's description. So with that said, guys, let's continue with the video. Okay guys, so now I'm closing the sliding door. See guys, yeah, the house is a sliding door. Okay guys, I'm joking, Shem. I'm really joking there, but then I wanna let this like I'm just gonna do this, yeah, it's proper now. So yeah, peep the trip ish. The mirror ain't mirroring though, but then yeah, I know I'm outside, you know, like, you know guys, what you need to do every time you wake up, you need to just touch the grass, man, touch the ground, you know, for something like the energy. I don't know why, but if you don't do it, you are a loser. So you need to touch the grass, man. I know I'm touching it with the socks, but yeah, still I am feeling the energy, you know, the vibes. So with that done, now I'm going to walk. Now I'm walking. See, like the sun is out, bro. The sun is just out, and I don't want to show around the location where I stay, because people will now know. But then yeah, this is the vegetation around, so like yeah, it's very nice, man. Okay guys, yeah, now what is want to make the breakfast for life. Breakfast for life, man. I just wanna yeah do the things. As you can see, the content things are already in order, man. There's the stand, and there's the small one, and then look at the fridge, how dirty it is, and I don't know how to fix this shit, guys. So if you have any ideas on home remedies to clean the fridge, I know I can buy something like spray or some shit, but then yeah, for now I just need a home remedy to like fix the shit, because I tried cleaning it with the cloth, but it's not working. So it's like, okay, fuck this shit. But okay, yeah guys, as you can see right there, yesterday I bought this shit, man. I like this and this combo, guys. Please tell them if you know this combo is the best. And then this is brown bread, you see, and then I've got the pots right there. Okay, that one is washed, but then majority of the dishes are washed, so do not judge the boy. Everything is washed, even the pan is washed. Just need to clean this thing, yeah, the stove. So yeah, we'll do that later though. Right now we have to do the food, so I have to do what now? Wait, relax here, moment, and then you come here, guys. Let me put you there, and then yeah, so you can now watch the boy do the breakfast of life. Okay, Shafiri. Okay, now I'm gonna. Okay, so I have to open the shit, and ish, I hate it when they do this to the bread, you know, because now I have to use my teeth. You know, do you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, today, guys, I want us to discuss further with the 4 hour, you know, the vibes. Yeah. So, after I'm finished with the breakfast, I'm gonna discuss further with the 4 hour, and then, yeah, we take majority of the things from there. Like, I do have pretty much valid and interesting lessons about it. I've been testing it, you know. And as you saw there, I paid for the Tradingview for $1, which was luck, but you know vibes. So yeah. Okay, guys. As you can see, there is my hand, and right now I just want to show you something. So now we're just gonna be doing the charts. So this is the real day in a life, you know. I know majority of the day in a lives, traders or viewers usually want the lifestyle, but okay, this is the lifestyle at the end of the day, because this is where I get the money to do the lifestyle, you know. So guys, March for me was pretty much a mess. Like I floundered my March, right? Let me show you guys. Okay, so March wasn't very good. It would have been better, but then, you know, I learned from these experiences, you know. So this is my journal for March. So let's see how the boy performed. The boy did very bad. I don't wanna lie. So first of all, I had this Euro AUD formal trade. I think this was a formal trade because it was against my trading plan. First of all, the push down wasn't giving, you know, wasn't giving, and the correction I got wasn't the one. If maybe let's say I got a tight 1 hour, it would have been better. But then this structure started to do like it was like a 1 hour structure, and I have a rule whereby when I'm saying, like, if I'm seeing structure forming on the 1 hour, especially when I'm having 1 hour pullbacks, I usually wait for the 1 hour to give me the whole structure. I don't like going to the 15, but then I did go to the 15 this time around and gave this trade some structure. But then I feel like the structure was forced in the first place, because you see on the 15 there was this thing there. I was like, okay, this could be my first second target, then you intersect there, and then yeah, but then I ended up manual closing. As you can see, the manual close, just because of that. I didn't realize that, okay, I'm making a mistake, but then that's not the key of the lesson for last month. And then I had this trades, the ADJPY forced trades. Yeah, the JPY trades. Yeah, I forced these trades, guys. Yeah, it was bad, and I think I would have like at least taken one loss, not the two losses I took, right? Which was a mess. And then yeah, NZD was a risky trade in my plan, because it didn't close very nicely there at the valley area. So I took the trade on the 1 hour, because at that time it was like a 1 hour, because to me it was like a 1 hour, and then I lost the trade, which was okay. It was, yeah, maybe let's say I would have gotten like two losses. So this is the only trades that I ended up taking on March. So it was like, basically I'd say it was like JPY trades, not even this one, because this one I closed with the manual close, because I realized the mistake, right? And then this is the JPY trade. So I think I took this JPY trades because I had the pressure that, okay, the month is closing and I didn't do anything. But then what I noticed is that, as I told you guys, I was still searching for the 4 hour, right? I was still searching the 4 hour, and man, I feel like now it's time for the boy to do the 4 hour, right? Because I've already edited it on my go-to setups. So this trade, as I said the other time, I was ghost trading this trade, right? It was only a value area, but it was a 4 hour entry. I was trying to see that, okay, does the 4 hour mitigate hook points? As you can see, this was a hook point on the 4 hour and also the value area on the daily. So what I've learned about the 4 hour is that it does mitigate majority of the risk, right? But then for me to give me closure and confidence in my trades, I'd like to play the 4 hour on these two risk factors. If there's a hook point, there's no problem, I can take it. Or if there's a value area, it's fine. The location as well, yeah. There also the location wise, I can also still take the 4 hour. Where I cannot take the 4 hour is like wage at the two touch. That one I'm still not confident that much. Like I feel like I'm gonna step out of it. I'm not gonna just put it on the trading plan. I'm still going to see at the side. But then with this trade, if I took this trade on my account, I would have been like up 3% because it went to 3% take profit, which is the rules for the 4 hour entry, that okay, the minimum is going to be 3%, which is fine with me, right? And then the other trade that I had on the 4 hour was going to be silver. So silver did manage also to give us a nice 4% trade and 3%, yeah, but it went up all the way up to 5-6%, but then it's fine. So yeah, it is what it is, man. So this was the setup. So basically I would have been like up 6% if I would have been trading the 4 hour for last month. So with the three losses taken, I would have been net up 3%. Why is Falcon important? Is that even if you maybe make those mistakes and you lose money, but then if you do get other trades, you're still going to be profitable regardless of you taking mistakes. That is what I like with the Falcon strategy, man, because there is discretion here and there, and then we cannot run away from that. But then what needs to be fair is that the trades need to be available. But then on March, there wasn't much of high quality positions available on March on the 1 hour time frame, which is my entry time frame. But then I'm like, okay, because I have that problem that I have less setups, right? Now I have to wait for even longer, and that messes up with my psychology a lot. I don't want to lie, it does. And I think majority of you can attest to that. If you don't trade for a long time, you may find yourself getting triggered to take high risk trades because you want to trade, because you've been waiting for the longest of times. So yeah, there also was a Nasdaq trade, right? There was a Nasdaq trade that happened that I did focus. Let me just show you with the team. We did focus on NAS 100. So I sent them NAS 100 and I was like, okay guys, NAS 100 can be a good trade. So where is NAS 100? Oh, there's NAS 100. As you can see right there, NAS 100. I focused at the 3 touch and then I got sick, right? And which is things I cannot avoid, right? So I ended up getting sick, guys, and where is NAS 100? So here is NAS 100. So NAS 100 did pay out, guys, and it was very sad. I don't wanna lie, because this was going to be a 5% trade for March, but then I got sick last week. That is why I also took time to post this video, because I wasn't feeling okay, right? So yeah, the last video I think it was 5 days ago, and then I got sick. I went to the hospital, but I'm doing a bit better, right? That is why I'm recording. I'm coming back again with the content, right? So this was the setup. So this was the setup, right? So this was the 3 touch that happened, and if you can go to the 15, you can see that, okay, fine. Yeah, the setup was like that, right? It was there, man. It was like that, you know, the legit one. So yeah, so what happened here was that someone might have also put it there, because I put that one day, right? So it was like something like this, and then so this was the middle section, and then what happened here was this strong wick, which I feel like, okay, this could have been like ignored, put the trend line and just cut through it, because I think this is clear that this is a volatility wick, because this week and this week are 2 different weeks. You see this one, right? And then if you can see the structure as it is like that. But the problem is now the the candle to the dead touch was just impulsive, which would have been a red flag. It's okay. Now this dead touch now is a bit impulsive, which it's something that would have taken me off the trade, right? Because I don't like when it's just one candle going to the dead touch. At least give me 2 to 3 candles. Maybe the last one can be momentous, it's fine. So it would have been a situation whereby I would have been discretionary if, say, I decided to take this trade, because even the retrace was long, but the entry would have been right there, right? With that retrace, and then takes you in, and then there was a possibility even this was going to be a break-even trade, because as you can see, it did that and then it closed at 1.3%, and then next thing it went to the entry, and then that would have been a clean break-even. But then if there was a scenario whereby you didn't break even by the time, you'd have worked out with so much percentage on NAS 100. Just that we have to trade the plan, guys. You know, truly speaking, guys, truly speaking, this trade would have been a problem with me. I don't wanna lie. I would have been not comfortable due to the dead touch, right? Because some of the trades that I usually take, the 3 touches are not like that, you know. The 1 hour flag, they are not like that, man. Like, they are not like that. The dead touch is just a proportional dead touch. So I'm just looking for a proper example I can show you guys that no. Okay, let me just use this one. As you can see, this is a 1 hour, this is a nice 1 2 3 touch again, almost like nice 100. But look at the makeup of the structure. It's like 1 2 3 touch, and then it did come to the dead touch, took my entries there, and then hold through that. You see the dead touch is not that impulsive. There's a lot of candles making it up, and then yeah, it did play out very much fine. As you can see right there, that was the play of the trade. So it now depends on situations like that. We see how do you handle the situations. But then as you can see, man, as it is there, that is usually my go-to for that is usually my go-to structure, like those structures like that. So that one would have taken me off because of that. Because guys, as for me, I trade what I know, right? I trade what I know, and if I see that there's something slight about there's a problem, I just have to not take the trade, because it's where you make majority of the mistakes. So you become lenient, and then you see like this happen, and then the structure plays out. But then now this is an exception. It played out. This is, I could say this is just mass psychology, right? Whereby you would see this, and then you now make a rule out of an exception, and then next time you play structures like this, they break down on you, because there was a clear indication that the last touch was a bit momentous. This is not a 15 minute, this is not a tight flag. You can see that this is a structured 1 hour. So you can see that, okay, the last one was momentous. So that is whereby I'd say no, I'd just like write that one off, right? Because hey, sometimes the market doesn't give you what you want. And I'm also going to make another example with this thing that I'm talking about. As you can see right there, this is going to be KJPY. So this is the example that I'm talking about with the last touch of the momentum. So as you can see, guys, it had one big momentum candlestick, but then as you can see, this was the middle section, and then you see the candlesticks making up the dead touch. There are quite a number of them, regardless of this one being long, but then it doesn't mean that the last touch was a bit momentous. So that is why this trade was high quality, and I did manage to get this position, and I took around 5% out of it on February. So that in February I made 14%, by the way. So I performed very good. So guys, as you can see right there, yeah, this was a 5% trade that I took. So those are the rules that I have for myself, right? So there's a difference, you see, on the last touch. So it becomes that discretion. You see, that is why I said we cannot run away from discretion, but then please guys, I'd advise that okay, we use discretion to favor us, not to take a trade, rather than putting discretion in taking a trade. Because now when you're using discretion to take a trade, it's like you then now you find yourself saying no, I'm going to ignore a risk factor because you want to take the trade and then now you are making the mistake, right? Just like here, you ignore the risk factor because this is a clear example of the risk factor that I'm talking about, right? So right now, Jay, because I have those screenshots, I just want to show you something I also do. So this is going to be a void. So this is going to be a folder that I'm going to create impasse. I'm just going to write impasse dead charge, right? And then I'm going to go to my downloads and then copy these and then come here, paste it there, and then I go like paste. So next time I see a scenario whereby I'm not sure if the dead charge is it momentous, I see the difference. If it is like this, it is a good one because it has a huge number of candlesticks forming the dead touch, which is this one is just only one momentum candlestick. So then the risk is there. So yeah, and then these are just examples of trades I should be avoiding. As you can see, this is like a 1 hour makeup, but then I find myself taking the trade, and then this is the thing whereby the trade green sharp is now a 1 hour, but then busy trying to force it on the 15 and then you lose. So these are the type of 15 minutes of two touches I don't like when, but it's like this now I usually lose. And I can also show you an example now where the market is like doing the same thing on USD CHF. So it's like this. You see now the two touches becoming more delayed, and then now it's doing this thing, and then the base was there, and now this is it's like prolonging the base, making it low quality, and then I wouldn't take a risk entry now there. What I just do is that I just wait for the push down and the 15 minutes. This is what I do. So you see, with those rules in line, I now know which structures are high quality and low quality, but then I have majority of these rules, man. I have screenshots of trades I shouldn't be taking. As you can see, I also have this the NZDJPY trade. You see, I didn't like the close there, and then I lost because of the close. As for me, I believe I lost because of the close. It wasn't a good loss. So yeah, because I'm trading my system, I'm not trading anyone else's system but my system. So yeah, and guys, I also want new members on the Discord, and if you want to be part of the Discord, guys, the Discord is 500 rands, or it's say $26 per month. But then I'm going to be generous to the new members who are going to join us. I'm just going to be giving you guys 2 months access for just only 500 rands, where you'll be getting these apps, you'll be getting meetings here, live trading, Sunday market breakdown, the midweek market reviews, and the focus for me, and also the team analysis, whereby the team, everyone engages themselves into these trades. I also have to add AUD CAD because I took AUD CAD, but then it ended up being a break even. So for March. So March wasn't that much bad as I think, just that I was a bit emotional at the end because I took unnecessary losses just because I wanted to be part of the market. But then it came back to hit me that, okay guys, listen, at the end of the day, risk is very important. I don't have to be lenient with my rules, right? Because I also wanted to be lenient again. Which setup was there? There was a trade that almost was there, was a KJPY. So it was this trade right there. I think I would have taken, but at the same time I'm like, no, I didn't like the makeup of the last touch. It was like, no. But then me, I think I would have taken the trade, but then I didn't take the trade because of simple observations. As you can see right there, you can see that the market left a weak, which 90% of the time the market would fill the week, and then after it falls and then it drops. But then as you can see right there, it did that, and this was going to be an unnecessary loss if you took that set up like that, and then you're going to be fucked. So it was going to be a scenario like that. But then looking at this, for me, this wasn't going to be a good trade at the end of the day, because if I go to the daily, I don't think selling KJPY was a good idea, because I feel like on the daily the market did close like very nicely on the value area right there. You see, I don't usually want perfect closes on the daily like that. you know. But then I see that okay, the daily close wasn't that much the one I'd appreciate, you know. So there's a possibility it can come back, but then it has moved, man. It has moved, you know. And as you can see right there, it's created us an inflation point whereby we can have a counter trend position there, which I don't have a problem with. I can counter trend that one with the 1 hour flag, and then I take it to the upside. So that is what I'm actually looking for in KJPY. Not that much of a high quality setup, I'd say. So there's a possibility I don't even take it because I don't like the way it closed. Not unless maybe because we've made a higher high, we just break this, and then I believe there would be a good place to be buying if you buying KJPY, because it can come back and then fill the way it closed before it can go. So that is the thought process on that one, and that you can just move it there on and just remove it as a whole, because I don't have that much confidence. Looking at the setups I have at the current moment, I have beautiful setups like the likes of USD CAD. USD CAD is looking brilliant. There's GBP CAD whereby I'm looking to take it as a 4 hour entry. As you can see right there, I'm just waiting for the market to come back down to the dead touch and give me that 4 hour retrace, and then I take it. There's also Euro NZD whereby I'm looking for a 4 hour entry as well, and then there's also GBP JPY whereby I'm just going to be playing on this area right there. I want the market to come here, give me a push down, maybe a 1 hour flag. I think I'd be good, right? So yeah, that is what I'm looking for in GBP JPY, and then GBP NZD as well. You could get something good there, and then a nice 1 hour. I'll be inside that trade, and then also GBP AUD is also looking good. We're just waiting for the market to give us its hand. As you can see right there, the market is trying to give the hand, but then yeah, I'd use this one as for a first touch, and then go down for the base and then come back up again before we go. So this also would be a very nice this would be a very nice play, right? This is just a focus at the moment, guys, so we will see. So I'm just going to be patiently waiting for my high quality setups, right? And then there's also going to be this one, which whereby I'm also expecting a 3 touch like that, and then I'm going to be taking the trade. So it's just going to be all patient on Q2, because we're now at Q2, we're done Q1, and yeah, I think I performed fairly well for Q1. I had a lot of pressures fixing my system and doing a lot of things and trying to get back to the game, because I was busy with a lot of things, busy with school. But then yeah, Q2 I'm fresh as hell, hoping for the best, man. Yeah, so with that said, guys, let's see you all on the next day in a live video, whereby I'll be dropping more value, more content. And please like the video, make sure we reach 100 likes for the boy and for a next banger. And also comment, right? Comment section, I want it to be loaded. Let's have a few conversations, man. And if you like these kind of videos, just say goated, man. Just comment goated, man. If you enjoy the value that I am dropping on these videos, comment goated. And yeah, man, also subscribe if you're not subscribed. And the last video got us like 30 subscribers, plus 30 subscribers, as you can see right there. Let me show you. One now on 5.942. Yeah, this is the last video. I really like. You see, you got 3k views, and this is very amazing. And then like 31 subscribers, we got like $3. But then I do not care about the YouTube money at the moment, because my channel is still small. I'm not making that much of the YouTube channel, but then yeah, the growth is still there. Me, that is what I like. And then over the 28 days, we've averaged like 18,000 views, which is a little bit lesser than normal, because I usually average 30,000 views when I'm back on my momentum with posting. But then yeah, we're on 18,000 views in the last 28 days. The watch time hours is 1.1k watch hours. So people are really engaging on the boys channel, and yeah, man. So the channel is doing well. Just little insights. We're on 106 videos, which is a shout out. Touchdown 100 videos. How many views for the boy? We're like 300,000 views road to 1 million views, you know what I'm saying? So soon we'll be reaching 6k subscribers, and hopefully with this video that I'm gonna drop, we're going to reach 6k subscribers, and I'm not gonna stop with the value. With that said, guys, I'm gonna see you off in my next video. You guys have been amazing. Let's keep on pushing, guys. Yes sir.